Welcome to DocuProx, the intelligent document processing platform that automates data extraction to save you time and improve accuracy. In this video, we'll demonstrate one of DocuProx's most powerful features, bulk document processing. We'll show you how to create a template from scratch, configure a webhook for real-time results, upload a single zip file containing multiple documents, and retrieve the extracted data on demand in both JSON and CSV formats. Let's dive in. Here we are in the DocuProx dashboard. To start, we need to enable our account to send data to external applications. I'll go to Settings and turn on the toggle for Webhook Access Enabled. Now we need to build a template that tells DocuProx what data to look for in our documents. Let's go to Templates and click Create New Template. In the template information, I'll name this Bank Forms. Under Template Configuration, we have the Reference Image mode. You can create templates with or without a reference image, and both modes work for bulk processing. For this demo, we'll choose without reference image. For document type, I'll select Other and give it a custom name, Bank Form. Next, in the Webhook configuration, I'll click Create Webhook Configuration. This is where we tell DocuProx where to send the data as soon as it's extracted. For this demo, I'll use a test URL from webhook.site. In a real-world project, you would paste the API endpoint from your own application here. I'll save the configuration and ensure the webhook is enabled and its status is active. Now we'll define the specific data points we want to extract using the JSON structure builder. I'll click Add Element and define each field I want the AI to find, like first name, date of birth, address, and so on. I'm also adding a static value element. I'll put the bank's name here. This is a great feature that adds a fixed value to every document processed with this template, ensuring consistency. With our structure defined, I'll scroll down and click Create Template. Before we process a large batch, it's always smart to test the template. In the Test section, I'll paste in my API key. We have a tutorial on how to generate an API key. Check our other videos. Then I'll browse and upload a single filled form and click Run Test. The results look great. All the elements we defined, including our static bank name, have been extracted correctly. Now our template is ready for a high-volume job. Let's switch to Postman to make our API call. I'll open a new tab, select Post, and enter the URL for the /process_job endpoint. In the headers, I'll add the key xauth and paste in my API key for authentication. In the Body tab, under Form Data, I'll add a key called Actual Image and set its type to File. Here, I'll upload the zip file containing all our bank forms. Next, I'll add another key, Template ID. To get the ID, I'll go back to DocuProx, copy the ID for our bank forms template, return to Postman, and paste it into the value field. Let's send the request. We get an immediate JSON response containing a unique job ID. This is our reference for this entire batch. Since we configured a webhook, the data has already been sent out in real time. If we check our webhook.site URL, we can see the extracted data for every single document from the zip file has already arrived. A quick comparison shows the information is perfect. It even captured details from the checkmarked boxes. But what if you need to get the results later? That's where the job ID comes in. Alternatively, you can check the status and fetch the results using dedicated DocuProx endpoints. To show this, I'll open a new tab and set it to Get. The URL is the /job status endpoint. In the Params tab, I'll add the key Job ID, then I'll copy the job ID from our previous response and paste it here. After adding my API key to the headers, I'll click Send. We get a success message confirming the job is complete. Now, to retrieve the results, I'll open another new tab, set it to Post, and use the /job results endpoint. I'll add the API key to the headers again. In the body, I'll select Raw and change the type to JSON. Here, I'll paste in a simple JSON payload and paste our job ID and a result format, which I'll first set to JSON. I'll click Send, and there it is. all the extracted data from our entire zip file, perfectly structured in JSON format. Finally, to show how flexible this is, I'll change the result format in the request body from JSON to CSV and send the request again. Instantly, we get the exact same data, now perfectly formatted as a CSV file, ready for any spreadsheet or data analysis tool. And that's it. We successfully processed an entire batch of documents from a single zip file, received the data instantly via webhook, and retrieved it on demand as both JSON and CSV. This demonstrates the power and flexibility of DocuProx for any high-volume workflow. For more information, visit our website, DocuProx.com. Thanks for watching.